Yeah, so going into it, just in Ship Light's case, we use Pink Sale, which is a very, I would say, innovative platform. Allows a crypto to start up, and the cost is very minimal, about two BNB to start your crypto project. And what it allows you to do is, you get these. They have a huge community, millions of users, where these users can actually look at all these projects on this huge list of projects that are trying to start and build a liquidity pool. And so the liquidity pool is an amount of BNB that it's locked for a period of time. So in ShipLight's case, we're locked for 2 years. We're about to extend that for much longer because we want to be in the crypto market forever. I think that's every crypto project's goal, with people with good intentions.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically, use Pink Sale if you want to launch on Ethereum. You could use Uniswap and basically lock liquidity, which you'd lock Ethereum tied to your cryptocurrency. But in ShibLike's case, we're locked to BNB, and then we're also on another exchange as well. So we were actually able to raise BNB to get listed on LBank. So that's where we're listed right now, and then we're working on getting listed on another exchange.
How much have you raised for the Shiba Lite? I remember it was like a very good number.
Yeah, so we raised about like $150,000 worth of BNB. As you know, the crypto market has crashed, so it's like about at I think it's like 80,000 now. But we fully expect it once the crypto market comes back. That number will go back up, and then as the project sees more success, we'll add more liquidity into that pool.
That's quite
Just
impressive in my opinion.